Pruning your plants is a vital step in maintaining their health and promoting new growth. Let's dive into the art of plant pruning and its numerous benefits. As gardening enthusiasts, we understand the importance of nurturing our plants. Join us as we demonstrate the process of pruning to enhance your plant's well-being. Plant pruning isn't just about aesthetics. It's a way to ensure your plants thrive. Learn how this simple act can make a significant difference in your plant's vitality. By removing dead or overgrown parts, you're allowing your plant to redirect its energy towards healthy growth. It's like giving your plant a fresh start. Just like a haircut, pruning trims away the old to make room for the new. Witness how this simple act can revitalize your plant's appearance and vigor. Encouraging growth through pruning is a rewarding process. Embrace the transformation as your plant flourishes with renewed vitality and beauty. Join us in this educational journey as we unlock the secrets of plant pruning. Your plants will thank you for the care and attention you provide. Discover the therapeutic benefits of pruning as you engage with your plants on a deeper level. It's not just about trimming, it's about fostering a connection with nature. Plant pruning is a form of self-care for both you and your green companions. Take the time to prune and watch as your plants thrive under your nurturing touch. As you trim away the old, envision the new possibilities that await your plants. Embrace the process of renewal and growth through the art of pruning. Each snip and cut is a step towards a healthier and more vibrant plant life. Witness the resilience of your plants as they respond to your thoughtful pruning techniques. Let your plants breathe easy with proper pruning practices. Create space for new leaves to unfurl and bask in the beauty of a well-maintained plant. The act of pruning is a gift you give to your plants, ensuring they have the best chance to thrive and bloom. It's a gesture of care that speaks volumes. As you engage in the pruning process, remember that each snip is a step towards a more robust and resilient plant. Your efforts will be reflected in their flourishing growth. Pruning is a way to sculpt your plant's future, shaping it into a masterpiece of greenery. Embrace the shears as tools of creation and transformation. With each careful snip, you're not just shaping your plant, you're nurturing a living work of art. Witness the beauty that unfolds through your mindful pruning. Join the community of plant lovers who understand the language of pruning. Together, let's cultivate healthy, thriving gardens filled with beauty and life. As we conclude this journey of plant pruning, remember that every snip is a step towards a greener, more vibrant world. Keep nurturing and watching your garden bloom.